What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Harville Makes. It's me, Josh. I'm here with my Uncle Mike here in Fort Worth. Today we're making a CATIO, a cat patio. If you don't know what that is, check this out. Today we're bringing value through information and entertainment. We're going to be talking about some of the challenges, some of the process, and what to consider if you want to do this project yourself. Stick around, have some fun. If you like it, comment, subscribe, like the video. It helps the channel grow. We love you guys. Here it is. Holding boards.
delivery.
What's up, everybody? We're here in the CATIO. It's me and my Uncle Mike here. We're going to talk about the project, some of the challenges, so stay tuned. What were some initial challenges for the design and for the build?
The floor, because this patio floor is at an angle, so when we built it square and then put it in place, the studs weren't vertical, so we had to readjust our diagonal press here, and we got the studs lined up straight. Once we got that, everything kind of fell into place pretty easily.
What were some things that worked out better than you expected?
The door, for one, I didn't expect the door to come out as a centerpiece of the whole thing. Just a crazy idea I had, and it turned out cool, I think.
Totally agree.
I wanted it large enough so that humans could come in and out, so large enough that I could walk in without bumping my head, and it's just that perfect height. You got to work with the space you got, but we have enough space, and I feel like this is a great size. It's 4 foot by 6 feet, big enough for the cats to jump around and enjoy the sounds and smells of the great outdoors.
Speaking of being able to fit a human inside of here, you're not a small human. I'm a small human. You're standing really comfortably. How tall are you?
I'm 6'1".
Yeah. And you don't have to slouch or anything?
No.
That's awesome. So those are some cool things to keep in mind. This is a really cool project, really fun. Glad I got to be a part of it and spend some time with some family. A really awesome Uncle Mike. Appreciate him and his wife for having me. If there's anything that you would do different, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We love you guys. Peace out.